Dear friends, before applying this dot product using Python, let me just use simple step-by-step exercise to really understand how the dot product works. Now, here we are in exercise 5 taken from the book AI by Hand by Professor Tom. Dear friends, here we have one vector which is a vector B. It is negative number -3, and here the vector A is missing. And kindly just observe, dear friends, here when we just have the result, of course we are in need of, that is this multiplied, that is the multiply the corresponding entries and then we have to add here. But here we have the one vector, that is a negative vector, and towards the resultant here it is in a positive. So something a negative number would be multiplied by negative number, of course it would be resulted here. And here of course after the same thing. So when we just multiply the 3 with another 3, vector 3, so we just get the result 9 here. So this dot product are not always positive. They capture direction. In higher dimension, a negative dot product often means the two vector point in opposite direction. If it is one is positive, one is negative. And even this simple cases, we see that the sign of the result matters just as much as its size. Okay, dear friends, kindly just observe these exercise gives you a step-by-step intuition for how dot product works. And finally, you can just find many more to practice on the book AI by Hand by Professor Tom. I just provide the link in the description. Kindly practice a lot directly.